Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox Zebronics Zeb Dash Plus wireless mouse. I got this mouse from Amazon website and packing is really good. On the top, brand name Zebronics is written. On the left hand side, wireless mouse, and on the right hand side, model name Zeb Dash Plus is written. At the bottom, high precision and power saving mode is written. This mouse comes with energy saving feature. A nano receiver is provided in the box. On the back side, its features are mentioned. It works at 2.4 GHz. It works on 800, 1200, 1600 dpi. dpi means dots per inch. Mouse sensitivity is measured in dpi. 4 buttons are provided. It supports single AA battery, USB nano receiver and comfortable to use. These are the features. And on the right hand side, package contents are written in which one mouse and one nano receiver is provided in the box. Battery is not provided in the box. In the bottom, month and year of import, item model, country of origin, MRP and email is provided. Now let's unbox this pack. This is nano receiver and this is the mouse. This is left and right click and scroll. This is the DPI change button and this is the area where you can insert AA battery. The nano receiver slot is also provided. No on off button is provided in the mouse. Now I have inserted a AA battery in the mouse and I am going to plug in the nano receiver to the laptop. Now you can see our mouse is connected to our laptop and it's working fine. This mouse is compatible with Windows XP, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Vista and Mac operating system. This mouse is really good in this price range. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.